Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is my 1995 model Maruti 800. Today I'll be replacing the timing belt tensioner in this car. I have already replaced the timing belt, so today I'll be replacing the tensioner only. But the process is almost similar, so by watching this video you can replace the timing belt also. Let's see the tools required. You'll need a hammer. Then you will need a 10mm double end spanner, a 10mm ring spanner, and a 10mm box or a socket wrench. Then you will need a 12mm ring spanner or a socket wrench. Then an 18mm rings and a 16mm rings and a pair of gloves. Let's move on to the video. First you have to remove the airbox which comes in your way. I have also removed the front grille so that my hand can get through. For loosening the bolts on the pulley, I always use a rag and I'll place it between the pulley and the belt so that the pulley won't rotate. There are 4 10mm bolts on the water pump pulley and an 18mm bolt on the crankshaft pulley. While trying to remove large bolts on pulleys, always try to tap the spanners with a hammer, which will loosen the bolts rather than rotating the pulley. Then loosen the alternator tensioner bolt. A 10mm ring spanner or a 10mm box spanner for removing the bolts on the timing belt cover. There is a total of 6 bolts on the cover. For removing the timing belt tensioner, you have to remove 2 bolts of 12mm. The one will be having a spring and the other will be the pivoting bolt. After losing some threads, you can unlock the spring from the lock. Gently remove the pulley out from the case so that the belt won't move. Always make sure the one that you bought is the same as the one that you took out from the car. Let's start the car and see how it sounds.